Have you ever walked into a room and felt like you didn't belong, like everyone else had it figured out but you were just faking it? Here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill, and you can build it, step by step. Oprah was told she'd never make it on TV. Muhammad Ali was criticized for being too loud and too proud. Steve Jobs, fired from his own company. What did they all have in common? A level of confidence that couldn't be broken because it came from within. And that's exactly what we're building today. Step 1. Clarity builds confidence. Confidence begins with clarity. If you're not sure who you are or what you stand for, doubt creeps in. Take 5 minutes today and ask yourself, what are your 3 non-negotiable values? What are your core strengths? Where do you want to grow? If you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything. Malcolm X. When you're clear on your direction, you walk differently. Speak differently. You stop chasing validation and start trusting your gut.
Step 2. Stack small wins. Confidence isn't about pretending you're the best. It's about proving to yourself that you can handle whatever's in front of you through action. Finish a task you've been avoiding. Win. Go to the gym. Win. Speak up, even if your voice shakes. Another win. Every small win is a deposit in your confidence bank. Keep stacking. It compounds.
Robert Collier once said, "Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out."
Step 3. Master your self-talk. The way you talk to yourself is either building you up or tearing you down. And most of us, we're our own worst critics. Try this. Catch the negative thought. Reframe it. Speak it out loud with intention. Instead of, "I'll never get this right," say, "I'm learning, and I get better every time I try."
Whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right. Said by Henry Ford.
Your words shape your mindset, and your mindset shapes your reality. Step 4. Embrace discomfort. Comfort zones are confidence killers. You don't grow by doing what's easy. You grow by doing what scares you.
Muhammad Ali says, "I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion."
That nervous feeling? That's not a stop sign. It's a signal that you're stretching. And every time you push through it, your confidence expands. Do something uncomfortable this week. Speak in front of a group. Pitch your idea. Have the hard conversation.
Step 5. Choose your circle. The people around you either feed your confidence or starve it. Be ruthless with your environment. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Surround yourself with voices that believe in growth. People who challenge you, support you, and hold you accountable. Your confidence will rise to match the room you're in. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared, being present, and being aligned with who you truly are. Let's recap. Get clear on who you are. Stack small wins. Rewire your self-talk. Lean into fear. Protect your circle. Unshakable confidence doesn't shout. It shows up every single day. Quiet, strong, focused, and unshakable.